Hey everyone, it's Lillian again. I'm just coming to you with a new video. This is a tutorial slash first impressions on Juvia's Place products. So I will show you what I'm going to be using. So firstly, I have the concealer here. The official title of it is, I'm not too sure, the box is on my desk, but it's just the concealer in number 9. And then I purchased 2 foundations. I'm going to be using one in this tutorial. The other one I will probably use more so in the winter. But this is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. The one that I used today was Tanzania, and it was a fairly good match, I think. And then the other one that I bought that I'm not using today is Malawi. And this is a little bit lighter, and like I said, it would be best if I use it in the winter. And then the last thing is the palette that I used. It's the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. So this is the packaging, and let me show you what the colors look like. So this is what the palette looks like. So you will see how I use basically all those products on my face today, and at the end you'll see what my thoughts are on the products, whether I like them, if I don't like it, if I think it's like worth it, and all that stuff. So I hope that you enjoy this review, or first impressions rather, and tutorial. Also, please do comment and subscribe down below for more videos, and let's move on. Alright, so I am going to start off with my transition color, and this is from the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to start off with the color Toby. So it's this orange color, and I'm going to just put that in my crease. And even just above it. You're going to just keep doing that until you think it's enough, and like you'll likely end up going back to add more later. Again, that is totally up to you. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take this flat-ish brush, blending brush. It's a bit more tapered, and I'm going to go in with the color Neo. So it's this color. Oh shoot, my nail totally just dug into my palette. Oh well. So I'm gonna go in with that, and we're gonna put that like right in the crease. We're not gonna go too high with it. Editing Lillian here. So I realized that I forgot to use water on the flat white blending brush, so you'll see in the rest of the video that one side will be bold. That's the side that was already done prior to me starting filming, and then the other side it'll just be basically a bunch of blended colors. So yeah, so my left eye, I think it'll be on your right. That's the one where I used water on the blending brush. And then my right eye, which will be on your left, that's the one that did not have any water. So at least you can see the difference of what will happen or what it will look like when water is used. All right, let's continue. Okay, and then we'll go in with the blending brush that we used before, and we're just gonna blend all that out. Okay, I think I might add a little bit more of Neo. The lighting in here is messing me up a bit because it's like gray outside. Okay, that will have to do. And then we're gonna go in with some concealer. This is the matte concealer, the Studio Finish Concealer NC50, and we're just gonna use that to cover the lid. Alrighty, and then we are going to go in with the color Lila. So it's just this shimmery color right there, and we'll just take a flat eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go over the lid with that. Alright, so that is the shadow look, and then I am just going to do some liner and mascara. I'm just doing liner on the top lash line, and then mascara only on the top as well, and I will show you what I am going to be using. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift. Just looks like that, and it is in Blackest Black. The brush is just, I think it's plastic. No, it might be a mixture of like plastic and some type of material, but it looks like that. And then the liner is the one I've been using in all my recent makeup videos. This is the Marc Jacobs gel eye crayon in black or Blaquer. So it just looks like that, and I'm gonna put those on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to switch locations because the natural light or lack of it was failing me. So this is what the eyes are looking like. Just with simple liner and mascara and then the shadow look. And now I am going to do my foundation. So I'll still keep this relatively close so you can just see everything that is going on. So today, the two main products that I'm going to be using is this Juvia's Place foundation in the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Tanzania. I'll be using that, and then their concealer in the number 9. I think I had originally wanted the shade below this or above it. I can't remember the order of the numbers, but the one that was a little bit darker than this, but they were sold out of that, so I just got this one just to see how that would work. And I'm going to just do my foundation like I usually do, so I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to have you guys watch, and I'll probably have it sped up like double time or something, and let's go. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe. And I'm just going to go over that. I figured I would just do a neutral lip because there's just like a lot going on my face. Alright, and then I'm going to go over with this NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment in Slow Ride. And I will just do a couple dots and then just blend it in. Alright, and then I'm going to just get a tissue and do a little, just to get off any residue. And that is the makeup look, so I'm just going to zoom out. Alright, yeah, so that is the final makeup look. My initial thoughts on the products. So one, I really do like the palette, and I like that it's very versatile. Originally, I was going to use the darker color as a contour, so that would be Abby. But I kind of just, there was just too much going on my face right now, and I just didn't bother, but I'll probably use that with another foundation on my face. In regards to the foundation, I think it's okay, because I did purchase two. I think I may have mentioned it before, but out of the two right now for this time of year, the Tanzania one was the closest one to match me. The other one, I think I would be okay with wearing it in like the dead of winter, since, you know, I'm in Canada, and us black people, some of us do get a bit more pale, so that one would probably be better for that. And now in regards to the concealer, I think out of the three products, it's the concealer that I wasn't the biggest fan of. I think it might be a bit too creamy for me, because as you saw, I just put like the dot like on the inner part here, and then just a line here, and then I blended it out. It was definitely a lot more product than I thought it was, because if I use it like I usually do, which is just put a bunch under my eyelid and then blend it out, that would have been even worse. Also, I think this one is a little bit too light, so you probably may have seen me try to like cover it up a bit with foundation and powder, because it is a little lighter than I would like. And like I said before, unfortunately, what I had wanted to purchase originally was sold out, and it is a bit of a pain trying to get it here to Canada, because it did take almost a month for it to get to me. Plus there's duties that I had to pay, so I don't see myself purchasing from Juvia's like regularly, maybe once a year, possibly twice, just because it is expensive, like when you're adding the duties on top of it, and like there's the whole exchange rate thing and everything. So yeah, so my only thing is the concealer. I'm sure that I can work with it. It might be good for me in the winter in terms of color wise, and I'll definitely have to use a lot less product than what I used today. I was able to make it work, but you know, meh. That's all I have to say about that. But other than that, like, this is the look. Overall, it did come out okay, and I hope that you liked the tutorial / first impressions. And if you have any questions, please do leave that down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please comment and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.